Have you ever bought fresh herbs only to find them dry, black or slimy a few days later? It happens to so many of us, and it feels like money going to waste. Today, I'm going to show you one of the easiest ways to keep your fresh rosemary lasting much longer in the fridge. The first thing I do is a clean glass with a small amount of water. You don't need much, just enough to cover the ends of the stems. Next, stream a small piece off the bottom of each stem, just a little bit. This helps the rosemary absorb fresh water just like fresh flowers, making sure only the stems are sitting in the water. The last step is to loosely cover the top with a plastic bag. This helps keep the right amount of moisture around the leaves without drying them out. Then I place the glass in the refrigerator. If you change the water every few days and remove any stems that don't look fresh, your rosemary can stay fresh for around 2 to 3 weeks. Sometimes it can even last longer depending on how fresh it was when you bought it. This simple trick helps reduce food waste and saves you money because your herbs stay fresh and ready whenever you need them. You can also use this method for herbs like parsley, coriander, mint and dill. Just remember that every herb is a little different, so the storage time may vary. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comments which herb you struggle to keep fresh. I'll see you in the next video.